Hello guys! Today I'll be showing you and telling you the best aircraft nation to play with. So first let's get into my stats. This is my new profile. I had other profiles. Okay guys, so to get into my stats, I played um, 66 missions which I finished, and I got 42 victories, which means I have a good win rate. So yeah, I have played around I don't know much map, I'll say 3-4 hours, and I've got 529 ground targets destroyed and 122 aircraft destroyed. So I do think I have some information to tell you. Also, my other account, which sadly got lost, I forgot the login details. Um, so yeah, that was really sad. But I'm playing on this account now, so yeah. These are my stats if anyone wants to see them. So yeah, now getting to the airplanes. In my opinion, the best aircraft nation for would be USA. Why? It's not as bad if you know some stuff, and it's pretty fun. I was playing once with this thing, which is a naval bomber, and I remember being really hit, and I could still make it to the base and land, which is really funny. Or when a guy was chasing me, and I actually killed him with my turrets. And if you don't know what turrets is, let me just show you. So basically, if you go here, you see these turrets, they protect you. So my automatic turret killed a person. I was heavily damaged. Like here, I was damaged, my wings were damaged, holes everywhere, and I still could fly. That's why they're awesome, because if you go for the bomber round, you can get many hits in you. And later on, you have super aircraft, like they're amazing. Um, so yeah, and the fighters are really good if you know how to play. If you're a total beginner, you could go with USSR. Let me go to aviation. So I played on USSR on my other account, which I sadly lost. And I went to Yaks on ILS and Yaks, and the Yaks were really good with the cannons. So you could go that way as well. Britain is not bad too, but I would suggest this line, the Spitfires and Sea Hurricane line. So yeah. Germany, I also tried playing a bit, I think, but I didn't really get into it on my other account. Um, I just don't know, it just feels weird. So yeah, my opinion would be for total beginners, go USSR. You're gonna have some fun. You get good airplanes, 20mm cannons, which is really fun. You can go with these. If you're intermediate, totally go with USA. They're awesome. Germany, I can't comment. I don't know about Germany. Maybe you know something, leave it in the comments. Britain, again, I didn't play them much, so you can leave me comments. Japan, China, Italy, France, Sweden, I don't know, never played them. So yeah. My suggestion, if you're new, USSR. If you know some stuff, go USA. So yeah. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like, and also, if you want to leave me some comments or something to ask me in the comments, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer you. Yeah.